crazy person. Anything happens to me, she's the one behind it. Anything at all.
I think over COVID, we didn't have
Okay.
obviously, we weren't able to do much.
This rice is banging, like it's amazing. Guys, watch the impulse buyer pass by. This is her. Hi guys, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. In this vlog, I'll be showing you my apartment and I'll be taking you along as I do some shopping. I hope you enjoy watching. That's my bathroom. Looks really nice. Everything looks good. Over here is my study and a wardrobe. Really nice. I love the paintings. Really pretty. Then next, my favorite room in any house, the kitchen. Look at my kitchen, guys. Looks so pretty. Can't wait to film a lot of recipes and cook up a storm in here. Then we head over to my bedroom. Really nice, really pretty. This is what it looks like. So voila. The first store I went to was Wilko, where I got things for my bathroom and kitchen. I got my plates and cutlery from here, also most of my cookware. I forgot to add, I got my pillows and my duvet from Wilko too. Yeah. The next stop was Primark, where my friend Hemsan and I got our beddings. I didn't get much here. All I got were my cleaning agents and I think toothpaste. Yeah. Now this is where the excitement begins, finally getting food items. I was so happy because I was just thinking of, oh, I'm going to make this, I'm going to make that. So yeah, I got most of my food items here, but I still went to Asda and got a few more things. This aisle is giving me so much satisfaction. I just love all the colors. I'm biting your shoulder. You lied. You lied.
You're missing the whole food section, look.
Tilly. Pesto. Please tell us why you got pasta.
Let's stay there.
I told you I was going to. You lied and I was right. The seasoning is here. Crushed chilies, crushed. Why did I read this as crushed chilies at first? Go there. Any other thing? I don't think so. Oh, I need to get curry. Hot, medium, mild. I'm just going to go for mild. So which are you going for? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
I want that one. I like it.
Which one?
Is that 2 liters?
Read that thing.
Smell it. Is it nice?
Yeah, I like it. Which one?
Get more.
Okra. I should pick out some. Fortunately, I have to go for this one because there's no bag to pick and put into. So I'm so tempted to get okra, but I don't have palm oil. Oh, it's so fresh, Jesus. Your hand is going to be in my video. I'm using you as a scapegoat. Don't even kill me.
That's alright, you know, 50p.
Oh wow.
Is that good?
Don't make yourself feel better. You bought it. Don't try to no.
What else is there?
Are you trying to break that thing
I'm actually
before we get home? Da, 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 da. So we came out of Asda and hey, it's raining. No, it's raining. It's raining. Tilly, where are we going to? Run, 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 run. Guys, it's coming down heavy. Oh my god. Guys, this is to let you know that if anything happens to me, she's the one behind it. Anything at all. At this point, we might just be walking to bath. Who knows? Of course, where are we? Yeah! Who's that crazy person? It's not funny, but I just have to. Finally! Lidl is just down there. And that's where we're going to. Guys, we got a free trolley at Lidl. Lucky us. Same way we got a free one at Asda. So where next? Tilly, eyes on the prize, eyes on the prize, eyes on the prize. Guys, this is my first time touching a pumpkin. I'm so excited. Call me bush, I don't care. But it's heavy, it's very heavy. Okay, I'm not going to go. Ding, 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 ding. Can you do for me, please? Thank you. You're such a sweetheart. You're just pretending because I'm recording you. Yeah, you're pretending.
This one?
No, this one, please. Plain, please.
What's it? They're hard.
Oh, wow.
How about this one?
Yes, please.
Sure?
Yes, please. Thank you.
20.
Yes, please. I like being greedy. It's nice. Greed is good. Don't quote me, guys, but sometimes greed is good.
More. They don't undercook right now.
Oh, apple turnovers. I haven't tried that before. So flaky.
They make my mouth water.
Pain au chocolat. Correct me, French guys, okay? My French is a bit rusty. Pain au
I should check that
chocolat.
mixture.
That's chocolate bread.
Yeah, that mixture. Is it?
Yeah, I mean, my French is good. Please. Don't insult me.
I'm gonna get this one.
Which one? This one. Maple and pecan
Have you had this one?
flat. No, I haven't.
These are so nice.
I don't really experiment things, you know. Ooh, muffin. All right. Let's get a move on. Middle of middle. That's a good one. Alright. Finally, I got vanilla extract. I was looking for some yesterday. What else do I need? So I didn't find the actual oranges I wanted, so I'm just gonna go for this one. Hopefully it tastes nice. If not, I'm blaming Tilly because yeah, I'll blame her. Please explain to us what you were doing. What were you doing? What? No, confess. Confess. I'll drag you. I would drag you. I would literally drag you. Confess on what you were doing. You're trying to shake to see which one is broken. You criminal. Why do I feel like you're an impulse buyer?
I really am. Because you're 100% right.
You are. Why isn't this thing standing? What's that?
And you see me going back and forth.
Hi guys. Welcome to my life. So you're an impulse buyer. It's nice to know someone is kind of like me. I'm not as bad as... What's that? Tilly, what is wrong with you? Drop it. Drop it. Let me do my little show. You don't need it. You don't need it. You don't need it. You literally don't need it. Imagine the people watching me from like the control room. Okay, so are we done?
Let me check.
There's nothing to check. You didn't write a list. I know. Let me see your
I need
list.
ice. That's it. I want to do this select.
Guys, watch the impulse buyer pass by. This is her. She's the impulse buyer. Like, it's a disease. It is bad. This is bad. You sacrificed these ones for this. You're a criminal. I hope you know. Just hanging around with the trolleys over there. I'm just waiting for our Uber. So we wait. Why did I keep looking here? It should be here first. I'll get used to this. So we wait. At this point, I just wanted to come down from the car and run into McDonald's because I was hungry.
You're going to have to walk that by yourself.
No, we're going together. That we are doing it. And we're also going to go in a hot air balloon.
You're safe.
We only live once, Tilly. You might as well just... That's high. That is high. We're doing it! This was the first meal I made in my kitchen. I was so excited because it had been a while. I had made something and I was using my new kitchen. So yes. Guys, it's like every time I make fried rice, I keep getting better because this rice is banging. Like, it's amazing. Let me try the chicken. That is too going to struggle. C'est bon. The last and certainly not the least stop was Malik Supermarket. I got palm oil, Ijebu Gari, as an Ijebu girl, I gas represent, some meat, and of course plantain, the love of my life. I was tempted to get Cerelac, but I didn't. Please comment below if you still eat Cerelac, or am I alone?
Renovation because I think over COVID we didn't have
Okay.
obviously we wanted to do more. Things are tough.
That I really like this one because of the color, because it's turquoise, orange. pineapple. But I don't drink carbonated drinks anymore, so. Thank you for watching till this part of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.